don't care.
I put it in there.
Your boat doesn't even know how to get out. No, there's nothing there. Oh, he likes that spot. He likes that spot. Stop. Stop. Stop him making sounds. Scare him and leave him in there for probably like an hour. Stop. Hey guys, see the bird's coming out. It's his first time he ever goes into the coconut. So it's his first time he ever went to coconut. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you guys next time. Bye.